We have a lot of priorities in pandemic preparedness. I think that we have to look for good cooperation, communication and coordination of all activities, but we have to ask with whom we want to cooperate. We have to cooperate. We know that we have to cooperate with other sectors. We know that we have to cooperate with other countries. We know that we have to cooperate with other organizations, sometimes not governmental organizations, so international organizations, institutions. I know that we have in Poland other challenge because we are new EU country, so we have to learn how to operate in the European Union.
Life has no reset button. Think safety.